All right, the next part of the lab requires us to use the capstone sensor. So I've had mine charging. You can plug it in and use it while it's plugged in. I'm gonna unplug mine. This is my capstone sensor. This is what we are working with. To do this part of the lab, what we're gonna do is we're gonna connect the magnetic field sensor to our capstone. And then we are going to set up the software, which will be in a different video so that I can screenshot my computer. And then we'll calibrate the sensor and take our data. From there, I can show you the curve fitting. But let's talk about this sensor. This sensor is an XYZ sensor, meaning you're gonna get all 3 directions of your magnetic field. It measures in Gauss, so I'm gonna turn it on and connect it to my Bluetooth. The X direction is this direction, the Y direction this way, and the Z direction out of the table and into the table. So this is our sensor. Let me show you how we're setting up the lab for this, and then you can watch the video for the capstone data. Okay, so what is the sensor gonna look like while we're taking our capstone data? It's gonna look like this. As you move the neodymium magnet away from the sensor, the capstone program will take the data of the magnetic field strength. But important pieces, so you're gonna start at, what are we starting at? We're starting at about 2 centimeters. And I'm gonna line it up with my sensor, okay? So here's my sensor and my magnet. You can see that they are lined up. I'm 2 centimeters away. After the capstone data stabilizes, then you can begin to take your readings and moving it away. I'm gonna move it away slowly and stop at each increment just to allow the magnetic field to be read for a minute. And you'll play around with this to get your readings.